Q&A day. I'm here again going to answer your questions. Yun lang yung intro ko. Wala na ko ipag-intro. From Simply Seth, paano po gumawa ng thumbnail para sa video at paano po gumawa ng cover photo para sa YouTube channel? Ginagawa ko lahat ng photo editing ko sa picmonkey.com. It's a free photo editing website. Though the YouTube banner that I have right now is actually made by a viewer na taga Cebu. So, hi Clarice! Thank you so much for making that banner for me. I really like it. Pero yung mga previous YouTube banner na ako yung gumawa sa PicMonkey ko din siya ginawa. From Zian Althea, how do you see yourself 10 years from now? And what's your biggest fear? 10 years from now, I hope meron na akong sariling pamilya because 10 years from now, I will be 35! So, sana meron akong dalawang baby, lalaki at saka babae. Yung biggest fear ko talaga is mawala yung pinakamamahal ko sa buhay. I know lahat ng tao sinasabi yan, pero yeah, oh my gosh, I don't wanna think about it. But that's my biggest fears. Wag. From Princess Julia, your skin is extra glowing in this video. Care to share your updated skincare routine? Yes, I already have an updated skincare routine. I will leave the link below. I'm pretty sure it's already uploaded. And also the review of the new product that is added to my skincare, which is the Snow Skin Whitening Cream. Not sure if that's already up though. From Maria Pascual, most used emoji. Let's see. I will take a screenshot of this right now and then I will post it right here. So that's my most used emoji. Simple lang naman yung mga ginagamit kong emoji. From Rui Danganan, hi Miss Rhaze, ano po suggest yung best primer for oily face plus a foundation to pair with it? Thank you. My gosh, pa-shoutout na rin. Hindi ko kayo na-shoutout sa previous vlog ko. So shoutout ko na lang kayo dito. Hi to Rui Danganan and hi to your boyfriend na si Patrick Hernandez. Hindi ako gumagamit ng primer. Para sa akin yung primer, parang nagdadagdag lang ng layer sa skin ko and I'm not all about that. Gusto ko kasi na kapag nagme-makeup ako, like simple lang, walang masyadong ganap sa mukha ko. So, hindi ako gumagamit ng primer. I have used baby skin, but I didn't really use it regularly kasi again, I don't like the primer feeling on the face. Tapos, hindi din naman kasi ako nagpa-foundation all the time. Pero for foundation, I really like, again, nasabi ko na to, Maybelline Satin Skin. From SB Buegues, parang kapareho to ng kanina. Ano pong magandang ilagay, primer or moisturizer bago i-apply yung makeup? I personally use just moisturizer. Again, I don't use primer. From Zira Zam, kailan po kayo gagawa ng love story niyo na Mr. Bear? I will do it really soon. So, sa March na, promise. Hindi ko alam kung mid or end of March, but I'm gonna do my best to film it really soon and have it up for you guys sa March, okay? From Kay Yin, this is Bisaya. Hi Rhaze, askrhaze ko, ang imong sponsorship sa brands of online stores, ikaw ang nag-approach nila or sila ni-approach nimo? If ikaw ni-approach yun sa nimo, asa ka sa Cebu, if ever magkita ta malagad ka. Oh my gosh, of course, no? Yeah, meron akong nakitang subscriber once, twice na ata nung nagpunta ako ng SM. In-approach nila ako. Of course, papansinin ko kayo. Sino ba naman ako para hindi kayo pansanan, diba? Pero may iba na nakita daw nila ako sa SM pero hindi sila nag-approach kasi nahihiya sila. Huwag kayong mahiya. As in, sobra. Huwag talaga kayong mahiya. Lagi akong may kasama daw. Kasi kapag umaalis ako, lagi naman talaga akong may kasama, yung family ko. Pero huwag kayong mahiya, guys. Approach lang kayo and yeah! So, she's asking about sponsorship. If I contact the shops or the brands to send me products and all that ish. Okay, about sa sponsorship naman, most of them contact me like they want to send products from their shop. That's cool. I will check the shop and see if like, you know, gusto kong itry yung mga products nila. Pero minsan din, I contact a brand like Cosmetics Unlimited. Ang dami kasing nag-request. Nagawan ko ng swatches video at saka review yung matte in detail lipsticks nila. So, I contacted them on Instagram and I'm not sure if they read my message on Instagram, but like few days later, they contacted me on my email asking me if they could send me products. Again, I'm not sure if they've read my Instagram message. With Pretty Angel Shop naman, I did contact Shirlene and it so happened that she watches my videos as well. So it started working together and until now, bonggang-bongga pa rin yung work relationship ko with Pretty Angel Shop. Immigration, a lot of you guys have been asking me to do the immigration experience. I actually already filmed it and edited it. I will upload it really soon. From From Julia to Vera, kailan mo balak i-chop off ang hair mo? Actually, ang tagal ko ng balak na putulin yung buhok ko, you guys. I think it was a month ago na sabi ko, pumunta ako ng mall na magpapa-chop off ako ng hair ko. Kaya lang yung kapatid ko, tamad mode siya, ayaw niya mag-drive, so hindi kami natuloy. And then 2 weeks later, nagpunta kami ng mall, as in nagpunta na talaga ako sa salon, and then sobrang daming taon, I was like, I'm not gonna wait. So, hindi natuloy again. Actually, pinaputulan ko siya sa kapatid ko, as in sobrang konti lang daw, like mga ganyan, pinastraight ko lang sa kanya. I think I'm gonna have my sister just chop it off, like, you know, straight lang naman. Konti lang naman yung ipapaputol ko. Hindi naman as in sobrang ikle, like here. Siguro mga I'm not sure, but we'll see. From Just K, ano po kayang ma-advise nyo sa first video sa mga gustong maging YouTuber? Ang pretty mo po, hugs and kisses. Thank you so much. Ang best na ma-advise ko dito, film what you like watching and what you like doing. Like, you know, kung ano lang gusto mong i-film first. In my case, my very first video was a haul video. Kasi haul video is my favorite video to watch. Tapos, gustong-gusto ko rin mag-haul. So, that's what I did. Kung ano yung gustong-gusto mong gawin and gusto mong pinapanood, do it. Yeah, do it. Why not? From Claudette Goma, tips po on getting job abroad. Kasi pupunta din po ako sa ibang bansa to work for the first time sa UAE, and I would love to hear your immigration experience, ate. Do you also experience dysmenorrhea and how do you handle it if yes? Tips on getting job abroad. I actually am not the best person to be asked this question kasi isang beses pa lang ako nakapunta. Yung trabaho ko kasi na nakuha ko abroad, masasabi ko na as in sobrang sinwerte lang talaga ako noon. Hindi ko talaga siya hinahanap. Kusa na lang siyang dumating. Yeah, so I don't really know how it works sa iba na as in sila talaga naghahanap. I do experience dysmenorrhea, you guys. Wait, email. Especially nung nag-aaral pa ako, high school at saka college, as in dysmenorrhea girl talaga ako every single month to the point na hindi na ako makalakad, na as in sobrang sakit na talaga ng puson ko, na as in sobrang I can't function at all. Dami ko nang na-try para sa dysmenorrhea ko, hot compress, cold compress, tapos na-try ko na rin yung pills. Oh yes, you guys, na-try ko yung pills. When I was working in a call center, meron kaming parang annual medical check-up na as in must talaga para sa amin na gawin yun. So, nagpa-check up ako, and tinanong niya ako, anong problema mo? Well, I get dysmenorrhea every single month. Naresetahan niya ako ng pills, and I started taking pills, and it works, you guys. Wala akong dysmenorrhea at all with my pills. Tapos, bonggang-bongga pa, kasi 3 days lang yung period ko. And before ako nagtitake ng pills, as in umaabot ng 7 days yung period ko ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos, may dysmenorrhea pa. So, nakakaloka talaga yun. Pero when I started taking my pills, 3 days lang siya, tapos wala pang dysmenorrhea. The only thing is you need to remember to take your pills every single night. Well, not every single night, but you know, for 21 days you need to remember to take it, and mahal din siya, mahal din naman yung Dayan. Yun kasi yung nirecommend ng doctor na nakausap ko, so yun yung binili ko, and for a long time I have been taking that. Nag-stop ako kasi nag-abroad na ako, tapos sa abroad you can't buy pills over the counter, so I needed to stop, and I started taking just pain relievers, and I went back to Midol. Yung Midol kasi yung tinitake ko before pa ako nag-take ng pills. Nakaka-relieve siya ng dysmenorrhea, but not totally. So, meron pa rin akong nafe-feel. Pero again, not as bad as kung hindi ako nagtitake ng Midol. Before pa ako umalis, nagbaon talaga ako ng maraming Midol. Yung trick ko now is take the Midol a day before my period, tapos the day of my period, and then the 3rd day as well. So, I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but that's what I have been doing, na hindi na siya as in ganun kasakit talaga. Bearable na yung pain. And this works for me kasi regular yung period ko. Alam ko kung kailan magsa-start. Pero minsan parang sumasakit na siya ng konti, like 2 to 3 days before yung period ko. So, nagtitake na ako ng Midol noon. Parang, you know, parang panangga. Pero yeah, yan yung ginagawa ko ngayon, Midol. From Gelly Brusola, gumagamit din ako ng epilator for armpits, pero di ko kaya gamitin sa legs. Do you shave, wax, or use epilator on your legs? I don't. I'm not a hairy person. Look at my arms. As in, sobrang ninipis ng hairs ko. Medyo mahaba siya, pero sobrang nipis. Yeah, so hindi ko siya kailangan i-shave at all. From Catherine Toling, hi Miss Rhaze, gwapa kayo ka. Thank you. Ask lang na ako, must-haves items when you're traveling. Must-have ko talaga when traveling, of course, my clothes. Pero yung nasa purse ko talaga, yung dinadala ko, hand carry ko, I make sure na meron akong power bank. I also make sure na yung phone ko is loaded with offline YouTube videos. So yeah, I make sure I have enough videos videos na mapapanood ko para hindi ako bored sa flight. I always make sure na I have hand cream as well. Tapos ano pa ba? Tapos yung eyeglasses ko, I make sure na nasa hand carry ko siya. Just in case ma-irritate yung contact lenses ko, I make sure na I have my eyeglasses to replace it. Yeah, yun lang yung maalala ko for now. From review, how do you motivate yourself in doing videos, especially during your I'm not in the mood to film days? Kapag wala ako sa mood, hindi talaga ako nag-film, you guys. Pero may mga time na kahit na wala ako sa mood mag-film, gusto ko lang mag-film and it just doesn't work. Like, you know, nagsastart ako, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pero nag-ramble ako ng bonggang-bongga na hindi ko mag-gather yung thoughts ko and it just doesn't work. I end up not finishing the video. Kapag wala talaga ako sa mood, ewan ko, wala talaga. Wala akong magagawa. From Isna, unsay masakit ate, mag-epilator or mag-wax? Just asking if ano yung mas masakit, epilator or wax. I personally haven't done waxing professionally. Parang na-try ko mag-wax pero sobrang tagal na hindi ko na maalala. From Azzy996, hi Ate Rhaze, gusto ko lang malaman kung ano opinions mo about tattoos. Do you have one? Do you plan on having one? Yung opinion ko sa tattoo, you do you. Like whatever you do, it's your body. I personally do not think I will have one. Though I find a lot of tattoos really cute on people. Like dun sa paa, tapos feather, tapos sa likod, dream catcher. It looks really nice, but I can't imagine myself having one. Siguro henna. Yun. From Trina Marie, hi Ate Rhaze, ask ko lang po, if you were to use 3 makeup items, what would it be? And ano po ginagawa nyo pag nag-breakout kayo if it's your time of the month? I do get breakouts if it is that time of the month kasi wala lang, ganun na talaga ever since nag-breakout talaga ako. Pero hindi siya ganun kalala, like 1 pimp, now I have 2 pimps right here. But ganun lang, hinahayaan ko sila kasi nawawala naman sila kapag wala na si Mr. P. If I could only have 3 makeup items, eyebrow product, lipstick, and under eye concealer. Yeah, yun lang. And that's the last question. If you have a question and you want me to feature it on my next Q&A video, please do leave your question below with the hashtag askrhaze. Sa mga question na hindi ko sinagot, that's maybe because nasagot ko na siya sa previous Q&A ko, or maybe it's way too personal na hindi ko siya gustong sagutin, like anong trabaho ng mama at saka papa ko at ng kapatid ko. So pasensya na kung hindi ko nasagot yung iba. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget to goodbye. Cover photo. Farah! Oh my gosh, my hair is just not cooperating today and this top as well. Ugh.